This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Mazda CX-5 key fob battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2025 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is quite straightforward and usually takes just a few minutes to complete. It's a great way to save a trip to the dealership and keep your key fob working perfectly. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side and slide out the emergency key. This will expose a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it. The two halves of the key fob casing should separate with minimal effort. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2025 battery using your screwdriver. Now, take your new CR2025 battery and insert it into the compartment with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Reinsert the emergency key. Now, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your car, to ensure everything is working perfectly. If you're looking for other great deals, check the description for links, including one for Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.